Hello guys, for this video gagawa po tayo ng homemade donut. Ito po yung mga sangkap: 2 and 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 and 1/4 teaspoon instant yeast, 1/2 cup fresh milk or whole milk, 1/4 cup unsalted butter melted, and 1 large egg. So, ito po yung gagawin namin kasi we're craving donut. Kasama ang anak ko, si Kyrie. Tuwang-tuwa siya dyan na gumagawa at enjoy na enjoy. So, hope you like this video at sana you try this recipe. Masarap siya. So, ayan. Meron kaming pang shape na star kasi yun ang gusto niya. At ang kalabasan ay masarap naman at naubos ka agad. Alam niyo naman mga bata, paborito ang donut.